Welcome to my channel. Hello, this is Yuko. Thank you for stopping by. I am so excited because of one of the viewers. She approached me the other day, and she told me she wanted to gift me some of her plant. So I talked to her a little bit. I was crying because she's so nice. She just wanted to give it to me as a gift. She told me she sent it out, the plant already, and then it's here already. It's next day. I cannot believe, and I'm going to open right now. I'm so excited, and just bear with me, okay? I'm going to open right now. Okay, here we go. I'm going to open, so how I open this? Over here. I think this one over here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. OMG. Hang on, bear with me, guys. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm so loud. Okay? Oh my goodness, I see it already. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my, you see? This is my my wish list for hand. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Hang on. Oh my gosh. I cannot talk. Oh my god. Okay. This is a lip salve. Oh my god. Oh, no. Okay. Be careful. Oh my god. I'm shaking. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna put it down. I cannot believe she's so nice. This is beautiful. I never seen this in person. I think there is a message. Oh my gosh. Let me see. You guys, this is amazing. This is so great. I am very thankful that she found me, and you know, making videos and taking care of houseplant is my hobby. So, and then I'm glad that someone is watching and then watching my channel and enjoying. This is so perfect. There, you guys. Oh my goodness. Hope you're watching this. I need to blow my nose. Oh my god. Look at the roots. It's perfect. They're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my. And it got here so quick, as she told me she sent it out yesterday, and I have it already. You look at the new growth. Oh my goodness. She gave me 2. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. I messaged her when I found the box in my mailbox, so hopefully she will watch this. Thank you so much. Your packing is perfect, nothing broken, and beautiful roots. It's perfect. I'm happy. My birthday is in August, so this is my early birthday gift for me. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. I was looking for a long time, and then I don't find it anywhere, and then she gave it to me. Oh my god, the roots is beautiful. Look at the roots. They're perfect. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe. Again, thank you so much. You're very kind. That's it for the unboxing videos. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time.